Today we are going to learn must. Must is one of the modal verbs. See, it is a modal verb. Usages modal verbs are written here. First one, you must go to hospital. It refers to compulsory action. Before saying yes, we have to think ourselves. Is it compulsory or not? If it is compulsory, then we may use this word. You must go to hospital. And second one, you must wear uniform. This sentence refers to instruction or role. Third one, you must be at the office. It refers to stating with compulsory. You must be at the office, for example, at 9 a.m. At 9 a.m., we have to be stayed. That refers to, must be refers to stating. Fourth one is, you must have all certificate. Here must have refers to possessing with compulsory. You must have all certificates at the time of interview, for example. Fifth one, while you are using in active voice, then change into passive voice. Passive voice form is, I must be called by you. Whenever you find in active voice, the passive voice is must be. Sixth one is question, you must have called them. Here combination of must plus have. In the passive voice form is must have been. See, you must have called them. Passive voice structure is they must have been called by you. Okay, as we know that them changes as they, me changes as I. Now seventh one is direct to indirect speech. He said, I must go to office. This is direct speech which are in inverted comma. Indirect speech answer is, he said that he had to go to office. Here he refers to I refers to in the question he. So that he is written here. He said that he had to go to office. In the question must is changed as had to. This is past equivalent meaning of must. Okay, next one. In recent days, must equivalent word is have to.